What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. WaveMan, back again with another video. Today, we're just doing a haircut video. Shout out to B Woods the Barbers. Let's get into it. Oh, almost forgot. Make sure you hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section below. But yeah, let's get into it.
You know this by now, bro. It's funny, my homies literally told me that in the group chat yesterday. They like, bro, you didn't see X, Y, and Z? Like, bro, you know I'm the slowest nigga in the group chat, bro. Why the fuck you acting surprised? Like, come on. Anything, you should be commenting.
There go this nigga. Yeah, he used to do some wave videos since you got the cut, man. I know you're subscribed to the fucking thing.
Yeah, that's true. I guess I don't know. I just thought about it like, I don't know. I just didn't really see myself with the WaveMan no more.
No shorts. Like, my shorts are doing good, better than my WaveMan videos.
What do you
shorts? Huh?
What is it about?
I don't know.
You know what people mess with when it comes to me, when it comes to barbering?
What?
Like, it hits every single time it goes viral. Self-cut. I can really push this shit up right now. We can move on with it. Act like you're gonna beat me up.
It's not like you already pushing me back.
No, facts. Shit all the way back to the bone, bro. Way more bullshit on footage than I am. You gonna have to go through more bullshit footage than I am. You moving your camera all over the place and all that little shit through that whole
Here, the more footage I got, the more I can work with.
Oh yeah?
Got a voice over it, talk some shit over it.
This is where that nigga fucked up right here.